Chicken lemon rice soup, also known as Avgolemono, is a classic Greek chicken soup that's thickened with eggs, loaded with rice, and flavored with lemon. It's a hearty, delicious soup requiring minimal effort and is ready in only 30 minutes. It doesn't matter whether it's soup season or not. This chicken soup can and should be enjoyed year-round. If you've ever been to a Greek restaurant, you might be familiar with this soup. It uses super simple ingredients and it's incredibly easy to make. As it cooks, it will thicken nicely. To make this chicken lemon rice soup, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion chopped, 1 medium carrot chopped, ½ cup arborio rice, an Italian short grain rice, 4 cups low sodium chicken broth, store-bought or homemade, 3 tablespoons lemon juice freshly squeezed, 3 eggs, 2 small skinless and boneless chicken breasts cooked and shredded with 2 forks, ½ teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper or to taste, ¼ cup dill chopped. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Here are the instructions for making this comforting soup. Saute the vegetables. Heat olive oil in a Dutch oven or soup pot over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onions and carrots. Cook them for about 5 minutes or just until the onion is translucent and the carrot is tender. Add the rice and broth. Add the arborio rice and chicken broth to the pot and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer. Cook it for approximately 15 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. Prepare the lemon juice and eggs. In the meantime, beat the 3 eggs together in a small bowl and add the lemon juice. Finish cooking the soup. Put the shredded chicken in the pot. Next, add about a ladle of the soup broth to the egg mixture and stir. Pour the egg mixture into the soup. You will notice the soup thickening up. The fragrance will be amazing. Add the salt and pepper and give the soup a taste to adjust the seasoning as needed. If you feel the soup needs more lemon, add more lemon juice as desired. Garnish and serve. Garnish the soup with lots of dill, some feta cheese, and lemon slices if you prefer. Serve and enjoy. Here are some important tips for making this chicken lemon rice soup. You can cook this soup quicker by using store-bought or previously made chicken broth and leftover chicken. It will eliminate the time to make the broth and cook the chicken, and you'll still get a fresh and bright soup. Instead of using arborio rice, you can make it grain-free by using chopped potatoes. If you're on a low-carb or keto diet, you can swap the starch with cauliflower rice, which is grated cauliflower, celery root, or chopped zucchini. Resist the temptation of adding the lemon juice until you're done cooking. Sometimes, when making soup, we're tempted to throw everything together to cook at once in the pot. That's fine when making other types of soups. However, when using lemon in soup, adding the lemon too early will create a bitter taste to the soup. Instead, adding it after it's finished cooking will bring out a fresher and brighter flavor. Have you heard about this recipe? Have you ever tried it? Tell us about it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.